Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Velvety Voices for Webtoon comics. We are reading once again 1 HP Club, made by elfboi, so please go give them the credit they deserve. And I am also joined once again with my fellow friends and voice actors, Vony,
Hi.
who still is pretty shit with his introductions, but we'll work on that. We'll work on that. And we have my friend Luke.
This is how you get away with making with any crime. Get it? God.
Yeah, that's Luke. He's
That
Luke.
was unintelligible.
The boy.
Honestly, I can't hear myself, so.
He is the greatest boy to have ever boyed. But will he be
Exactly.
the greatest elf boy? No, he won't, because I voiced the elf.
I'm the elf. I was like, I'm the elf girl. Fuck you.
We are
Not so Shrek.
in episode 4. It's falling down. I think it was. Alright, let's go.
Have you ever wondered why orcs are all fucking British?
Vony, you can have the
They are.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, music.
You can have the narration. Go ahead.
Who?
You.
Okay. It's the day of the winter festival. I feel like I'm reading a Christmas Noel. The city is decorated with lanterns. There's food stalls and games all around. People buzzing on the streets.
Twirling knife. And that's me.
It's been years since the great calamity that hit your world has passed. And today feels like the perfect day.
Whip. Whip, 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 whip.
For the Grinch to steal Christmas once again.
Oh, look, it's you.
Squeeze. You can't squeeze armor. What?
It's the paladin. I think he was just squeezing it on there, sliding it into place.
Waxing his armor.
Yeah, there you go.
That day, the main protagonist armor grew 3 times that day. To take a break and enjoy yourselves.
Oh my.
What's these
Oh,
angles?
yes.
Booty going down with the smoothie.
All right.
Booty, the smoothie.
Candy apples. Where'd it go? Hey, look, it's the orc. That's funny.
I thought it was a goblin.
Goblin these nuts.
Gobbling this dick. Yeah.
Oh, it is the Grinch. She stole a
Yeah.
apple.
Oh yeah, I guess she is the Grinch in this version. Who's gonna voice her again?
You told me to.
I told you to. All right.
It looks like Fan and Blake.
Yeah, it's
Fan and play. Yeah.
For the moment, things are looking pretty calm.
Oh, big orc.
actually not, but I voiced 3 people out of the party.
Boop.
So you can do whatever you want.
Those poor children. Sploosh.
I have no idea who's saying.
Someone voice him.
Yeah! Ah! They flew so high.
Luke.
Is that me?
I have
No, but
idea.
just
Which
voice
one?
it. This one right here. The only bubble.
That's not how you do it, mister.
Meanwhile, your god watches over you.
Oh, I think that's funny.
Well,
I forgot that these
God
are
is
so
guessing-
short.
I'm guessing this is Luke in our case.
Asriel.
That's
Oh.
I'm guessing that's Luke in our case, like, the narrator. All right. Well, that was a pretty uneventful episode. Let's move on. It him. Episode 5. It him. Clap 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 clap.
I guess I'm
Weird.
God now.
Oh, that's a terrible.
Fear me, for I am the immortal. I am the end.
Ta-da!
That is terrible. All right, Luke, you can voice him.
Yes, it is I, your dearest God.
Oh Lord. Plop.
So,
Ooh, where are we going?
get these gay lines out of here.
Oh my gosh, it's the dungeon master.
It's Luke.
Luke wears
Tell
glasses.
me. I actually used to wear glasses, but I don't.
We
Not
got
a
dice.
nerd anymore.
I think we got some character sheets here. We got. Shut up. Hang on a second. I'm sorry.
You're ruining my immersion.
Yeah, I know.
Why don't you immerse yourself in some... Can't say that word.
And some titties.
We got our characters. We got the dice.
What would you guys like to do next?
I feel like you're voicing him very wrong, but that's okay.
Oh, it
It's
sounded
me,
right
it's
to
the
me.
all
Webtoon.
evil.
All right, that was episode 5. I do
All
like the
DMs
art.
are evil. This is a unanimous rule that we all agreed on.
Episode 6, all smiles.
This is your map.
Oh my gosh, they got everything here. They got M&Ms, they got Skittles, I think that is.
Gross, they're all sharing a bowl.
They got mms.
They got Pockies.
Okay, personally, I don't want to be reminded that this is a D&D campaign.
Is that
Wait, there's
the...
more players here than
That-
there are characters that we voiced.
I have no idea.
Wait, never mind. I thought there's 2 extra seats.
No, I think they're just blank. That's a good point. I don't know. I'll just say it. Oh? Oh, it's Luke. All right, go ahead.
Oh?
Is that the...
Who's the dude
Oh.
next to me? Is he dead? Is he bad?
What were you gonna say, Vony?
Nothing.
All right.
It's...
That's the god. That's you.
Yeah.
Luke.
1 second. Something's in my throat.
Gotcha.
Sadly, it's not a nice juicy cock.
I'm just gonna timestamp
That's
that.
just an. That's just an NPC. Don't mind him. Huh. Can I steal something from him?
All right, that's Izzy playing as Alice. Luke, you are Izzy and
Alice.
Alice.
You can try if you want. You can try if you want. To steal something. Oh, sleight of hand.
Sleight of hand. Roll. Swipe. 18.
Yash.
You got 10 silver.
Next. What would you like to do, Tim? I think that might be your elfboi.
No.
Oh wait, he looks kind of like the paladin.
No,
I
actually.
thought that was the orc.
This guy's the
Wasn't-
orc. Yeah, I remember the lineup
Yeah.
on the table. He's the orc.
Okay.
Playing one of those tiny duck scooping games.
That's right, yeah.
With my big hands, man.
Tim playing as Imsh. Imsh. Not sure. how you say it.
Amish.
Amish. And I believe this. Huh? Oh, okay. This is the elf boy. And while you're doing that, there's a pretty elf boy watching you from the rooftops. He thinks you look like an idiot. Obi. Played by
Obi-Wan Kenobi.
Theo. But I think you're adorable, so...
Hey, look at his shirt.
Look at whose shirt? His?
Not
Or
the
hers.
real life guy.
Girl.
Ass.
Ass.
Yes. I'm so mature.
Honestly, they got no titties, so they could be. Who knows?
No, but
I
the
don't care.
the character does.
They
All
don't get
right.
pronouns.
Here are the characters and their stats, everybody. All right.
How dare this artist ruin my immersion?
All right. That was episode 6. Now let's go to episode 7. Stop sparkling something.
All right, so the pretty elf boy is watching over the half being an idiot. Jesus, what are you doing?
I think it's Jesus.
Aziz, what are you doing?
He's the paladin.
Oh.
Vony.
Oh, me?
Looks like a surfer dude.
Playing
Playing
as.
as Solaire. Solaire is walking around, wishing it was sunnier. He loves the sun.
What? How do you end up with every Jacoran? Every time, with some magical ability, you end up with the himbo, even when we don't know they're himbos.
Even in a webtoon about D&D, you still get the bimbo.
We get it. We get it. What is no one doing? I just realized this is going to be very confusing.
Oh.
And who are you? Oh, I think she's the. I think she might be the.
Fannin Blake.
Yeah, Fannin Blake.
I know. That's why I choose that name. To make stuff confusing and mess with you.
Jade playing as no one. Now she does look quite fiery.
Yuck!
She's giving me Sienna vibes, and I don't know how I feel about that.
Best of all, fuck you.
Gareth as God.
Asriel.
Second of all, tell me what your character is doing. Oh, she's just meditating.
Look,
Oh,
she's
no.
even got tiger print on her.
I know.
Vony.
It's
Am I just
messing
Katusha?
with me.
Am I just Black Katusha now?
Black Katusha. Well, unless you want to give she's got horns. That's nothing like Katusha.
Miss pointing out leopard print.
Leopard and
Okay,
tiger.
you try to relax and meditate. But someone bumps into you.
Bump.
They stumble and run away.
Uh-oh. From.
And that's when you realize something feels wrong.
As we descend into darkness. Okay.
Something feels very wrong.
They stole their wage.
Solier, there's you, Vony. Oh, he's a half elf. Paladin.
Oh, he's a Dark Souls reference.
Yeah.
Is he?
Praise the sun.
Alright, you were right, Luke. She's a tiefling, even though I'm not exactly sure what that is still. Monk.
Just think demon.
Alright.
They're not really demon.
That was episode 7.
They
Let's go
look
to episode 8. Tish. Better. Ha.
You notice a sense of panic in the air coming from the south. You notice people are moving away from the south. And as time goes on, they're not just moving.
Run.
They're starting to run.
Run, bitch. Run.
They're starting to scream.
Everyone is panicked. Your coins. Oh no.
Swish.
Slash. Cling, cling, cling. Oh, she's pissed.
Oh, she's an Aussie.
Oi!
She's an Aussie.
That's why money you spilled on the ground. Okay, that
Guar.
What's up? Oh.
Ugh. Roll anti-immersion button.
Sure. Alright. So we have our first foe. Let's go to episode 9. Getting honky.
Pretty elfboi, you go first.
Oh, I attack.
What?
He's,
Why are they now nervous?
maybe it's her first D&D, I don't know.
Move your token next to the enemy you want to attack. I said next to them, not on top of him.
I jump on him.
You. Why? Roll your attack.
I jump. Roll. Elfboi jumps. Grips his sword.
Obi
jumps
okay.
on the undead horse.
No. This is a narrating Vony
Nah,
moment.
I was unsure. It's hard to tell who's the DM and who's narrator now.
Yeah, I guess it can't be. Slit. Go ahead, Vony.
Are you sure?
Yes. I don't want to.
Strings his rape.
I don't want us to
His
get
rapier
bored.
down its necks
Swish.
and snaps its head off.
Oh,
Wow.
with a net
Wish
20.
we could get that lucky.
Right. Snap.
You did get that lucky. You
Damn.
threw an Urza.
Oh.
Yeah,
And
once.
somehow he looks very pretty while doing it.
Oh. So this is the past, I see. Oh, absolutely. It's a very morbid scene, but he's beautiful.
Luke. Oh.
Noise. Okay.
Okay. The second horse saw the beaten die. His
Brethren.
I know I can't fucking say. I don't know why I couldn't say brethren. Die right in front of his eyes.
Nigel!
Nay.
He's going to attack Obi.
Oh.
And fails his attack and falls over like an idiot.
Just like our D&D. All right. We're almost there, guys. Episode 10. Meet
You want to know how I imagine,
Scepter.
like, sometimes how you guys fall sometimes?
Just like that.
I don't imagine you guys like trip normally. I just imagine you guys just cease to function and just fall over.
Randomly, just out of nowhere.
Yeah.
Hold my ducks. Oh, he's a sweet.
Hold my ducks, cause I'm ready to fuck.
Wham! Okay, you freaking weirdo. Alright. Pow!
I guess she's a fisting monk.
And Vony.
Personally, I like monks.
I want to go and help her.
I'm going to kill myself. Every time I get reminded of Jacorin, I just want to...
every time, every time Jacorin steps in, bad shit happens. All right.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I go towards her.
You know what happens if you move past an enemy that's right next to you? It gets an attack of opportunity on
Eh?
Uh-oh. Numb.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Oh,
That's a little.
jeez.
That's a little morbid.
That's a little strange.
Oh.
Oh.
It's getting even worse. Solier is
Solitaire.
down.
So,
One
Solier is
hit.
down.
One hit.
no.
Vony, you
Get-
I
gotta.
didn't even
Yes.
mean
Vony, you gotta scream it. You gotta
Yes.
scream it.
to. No.
Weak. Your first line.
Waylay the healer.
He's the fucking healer.
Of course.
Dead paladin noises.
Make dead paladin noises for the audience.
Gurgle, gurgle.
I'll take it.
I guess Paladin dead.
Slash. She.
Take the L, loser.
Please. I didn't think you'd go down so easily.
Wow,
Surely he's gotta come back, right?
Hopefully.
that was easy.
Can I freaking voice something? Good
They just
lord.
implied that the Paladin is just a fucking pleb. He just got fucking nay-nayed on.
Ah.
Oh,
Ha ha ha. Aha. Yeah, easy.
he was knocked out for
Just
a bit.
knocked out
Was
for-
knocked out.
and-
Okay.
I need some lines. Oh, great heroes, you saved us. Let us buy you a drink. Clank, clank. On the house.
On the house.
Up yours.
Rum and cranberry, please.
Go ahead.
You fought well out there. Do you know each other?
Nope.
Not really.
Nah.
No.
Now that you mention it, we should introduce ourselves. We won a battle together after all. So what's your deal, huh? You look cozy. Oh, Luke.
Why is he
Hey.
hugging
No.
Tiefling?
Hands
He's
off.
flirting.
Do I get to flirt with myself now too?
I could
I don't know this man.
I could take her off you if you'd like.
No, I like making you suffer.
Fine.
Technically, it would make you suffer more to have to flirt with me, but I don't. And the best part is, I don't really have to say that much.
If you think that's true, I mean, sure,
I
go ahead.
wish.
You're lying to yourself.
You're making me think. You're making me second guess it. I'm keeping it.
Asshole. Swoop.
I like keep things.
Oh. She's the she's the pal.
Bannon Blake.
Yeah.
Oh.
No, she's
Oh,
not.
wait,
She's the
they're
blonde.
the-
She's the
they're the
Aussie.
pal?
She's the Aussie.
Oh.
She's the
Okay.
Aussie, my
I
bad.
question his definition of cute. He's hugging a 6-foot tiefling and a bloody assassin.
Oh my gosh, that's how
Looking
tall
to
Sienna
stab him,
is.
and he's second.
Don't ask me how I know.
I already know how you know. You stalker. Well, actually, Obi likes it. I like it,
I think I
apparently.
know her
The
type.
F.
The what?
Wait, so how did they end up fucking?
I guess we'll find out. We're in the past right now. Episode
Warning.
12.
This oh. This episode contains naughty language and themes that may not be family friendly. Avert your pure eyes and beware of evil sinners. A few days ago.
Ah, Dungeons and Dragons. A new world of endless possibilities. Adventures, fierce battles, and interact.
Ow.
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Present day.
No, I'm not. I had a whole day where I was on airplane mode. I want to flirt with the elf.
Can I
Whoa,
fuck?
whoa, whoa, whoa. What did you say?
Can I fuck the
Flirt
orc?
with the elf. That's you, Vony.
That's you, Vony.
I almost died.
Kind of say it with a little bit more panic.
I almost died.
There you go.
That's better. I'm trying to get you
It's like
to
he
put
looks
some...
like he's clinically depressed.
Step 1, close book. Step 2, stare with parental disappointment. It is Luke.
That is just me. It's like I just stare at the both of you with actual disappointment.
Why?
Especially
I'm the
Red
one that's
Wild
actually...
Flirts with Jacorin.
I'm the one that's actually trying, though. Good lord.
But it's like the thing is like I by episode 2, I already realized that this is a sinking ship.
Yeah, I know. All right, go ahead. Luke.
Suddenly, you hear a scream from outside.
Uh-oh.
Everyone in the tavern rushes towards the door.
Huh? What's going on? How about this? How about this? If it's in the real world, Luke will voice the narrations, but if it's not, Vonnie's gonna voice the narrations. So go ahead, Vonnie.
Alright. Solaire opens the doors, and you can all see it.
Oh.
It's the girl from the ring.
She's about to get sexualized hard.
A banshee.
Step.
That wasn't bad.
What's up?
We said not bad.
Yeah, it
Oh.
was pretty decent.
Oh, thank you. Let me handle it. Whoosh. I jump on it.
Really into this jumping.
Again. Poof.
You fall through it, and it takes no damage. Because it's a freaking ghost.
You almost said it. You almost said it.
I'm not sure if that's what's behind that blur, but I'll let it slide.
It's up for interpretation.
Fuck. I think that's how you actually say it.
Ow.
I thought your character has high intelligence.
He does. But I don't. That's me. That's me. All right. Last
Okay, why
last
are we
episode.
reading our D&D campaign put into literature?
I play Russian something. I also learn Russian, so this could be fun.
The banshee is going to war.
Tinnitus. Whoever fails to block out the noise.
Oh. Oh dear. Thump thud. I hope my roommates don't,
Congratulations, you're dead.
I
You're
hope my
dead.
roommates
Go
don't come
fuck
looking for that.
yourself.
Oh no, that's Solier. Was Solier the only one that stood up? That stayed?
So Larry.
So, okay, Soleri. I don't know how to say his name exactly. Yeah, everyone else is down.
Drops down to 0 HP. Oh gosh, the stakes are high.
That freaking sucks.
Even I would actually be more careful than to throw a banshee so early.
Let's start your boss fight.
All
Oh gosh.
right.
What do you want? Oh shoot.
What do you want to do, Soleil?
What can I do?
You can try getting one of them up.
Which one of you is useful?
All right. I guess we'll have to find out.
Yeah, that's the
No.
last thing you want to hear from your doctor.
No cliffhanger.
You want to go on the? All right.
Wait.
Wow.
We should keep it as a cliffhanger.
Yeah, it
Dang
would.
it.
It'd be a good way to end off. Keep people wanting more. Well, anyway, you guys.
Fuck you, people. We're gonna cock tease you so hard.
Malding.
Yeah, this series is going to be full of edging, so get ready for that. If you can't handle it, then you should just back out now. All right.
You can't handle it. Go back to Cobalt Care, horny degenerate.
Luke's gonna have to go back to Cobalt soon. Get screwed, loser. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that reading of Webtoons again. Once again, go support the artist, the editor, the assistant as well. Follow elfboi on social media. Go read it yourself. It's on Webtoon. It's free, alright? Anyway, enjoy. And, oh wait, sorry. Also, go support my fellow voice actors here. Go support Vony's channel. He does Ruby JPTE dub project right now, along with Cobalt, and we're doing the Ruby Greyfang D&D, which is what we are going to reference a lot to. This is on his channel as well, being hosted by Zhao Luke here, which he also has a comic called Wrath's Apprentice. Go support him on that as well. Anyway, you guys say
I
your
hate how
goodbyes.
much I relate to the DM in this story.
But you love it at the same time.
It just brings pain.
Vony, say your goodbyes.
You guys are really painful. To
What?
deal
I'm not that painful
What's
to deal
up?
with. I keep things interesting. Up yours. All right, go ahead. Vony, say your outro. Say goodbye.
with. So I did all of that to make you a tsundere.
Bye guys. Subscribe. Please.
Not here. Vony's channel.
Not even threatening him.